8 a.m, a time most students, including myself, still refer to as bedtime. But here at Ystrad Mynach, the Wales Academy girls are already in training. We've come here today to catch up with the girls and find out a bit more about the sacrifices they make in order to make it as a professional footballer. You travel from Ammanford every day.
Yeah.
What does a day look like for you in terms of leaving the house and then straight through to your lessons as well?
So it can depend on the day. If it's a day like this at 8 o'clock, my dad will bring me up. We leave the house at 6:30 in the morning. So we come all the way up here. It takes about an hour to get here driving, and then he'll drive all the way back for work in Swansea. And then if I have lessons, it depends on what time, but I normally take the train, which can take me around 2 hours, especially with travelling to the train station. It took me a while to settle, especially with like all the travelling and having to leave like a lot of my friends from back home. But I've started to settle a lot more now with the girls, so it's been fun. It has been really fun.
You're from Neath. You're living with a host family, I believe. Could you tell us a little bit about that experience and who you share the house with?
It's a great experience, and obviously you get some independence whilst doing it. I live with 3 other girls, so Josie, Dee and Caitlin, and it's independence. You have to arrange things yourself, get up without your parents waking you up, and it's something that I'll cherish forever.
What have you learnt about yourself playing in this setup?
To have confidence in myself when playing, because we work on individual things, so when I can do it in a game, it shows that practice helps.
I guess I'm very technically good on the ball, and I've improved so much just from the help of coaches and the support and the confidence your teammates give you. It's been really good.
Normally, like, I join a new team, I'm like on my own a lot because, I don't know, it's just new people. I'm not the best at like bringing up conversations, and I'm scared that I'm going to be judged and stuff like that. But I don't know, all these girls here, like, they all really like care for you, and I think my confidence has developed a lot, especially being with such a good bunch of girls who like don't really care about anything, you do anything wrong. So my confidence has developed a lot.
What would your ideal role be if, away from football?
I want to go on to do something in sports, so I wouldn't mind going to Cardiff Met to do a sports science and then maybe go on to personal training.
Jess Fishlock made her 100th cap on this pitch. How much do you look at players like that for inspiration?
I look at it very much, like I look up to all the senior players because they're all doing so well, and I'd like to be like them. I'd like to become a WSL player and become professional, so I get paid to do the sport and hopefully just do that.
It's just really inspiring. It makes me think like, look how like far women's football's growing, and I want to be a part of that someday, and it's incredible how much it's actually growing. Yeah.